Hi, I'm here at the Makerpi? Makerpi. From some of my, lots of my favorite things come out of Shenzhen, by the way. We're looking at their Makerpi that does color mixing. See, we got a couple of direct extruders. We have a single nozzle going on. And what comes out of it, in this case, because we got a pink and a green, probably something very similar to this, even though this is a very big one. They're making a smaller one, starting off green, and it color mixes up to the red. Oh, that's fantastic. It's fantastic. There's a blue. And so, oh wow, look at that. Get your vase on. So that's mixing a lot of green and a lot of the orange to get that greenish, I mean a lot of the blue and a lot of that orange to get that dark green like that.
Yeah.
And it's easy enough to control. So how do you set this in the software? Is it like, do you dial it in to say a percentage? Or do you say I want a percentage of green and red? Or you just say, hey, go from one place to another place, one section to another section, and make it do a gradient between the two? I mean, what does the software look like is what I'm asking.
Yeah. In the software, it's a you can set two points.
Okay.
The color mixing starting point.
Starting point. Finish point. Okay.
Yeah.
Cool. All right.
For this one, the start point is the bottom.
At the bottom, and it starts at the bottom and the stop at the top. Ah, okay.
Yeah.
Lots of mixing all the way up and down.
Yeah.
For this one, it would be a little bit different, where the starting point is probably for this one.
No. Also, from the bottom to the top.
From the bottom to the top. Okay.
Yeah.
Got it. Well, fantastic. Thank you very much. And your name is?
Frank.
Friend?
Yeah, Frank.
Nice to meet you. I'm
to
Harold.
meet you.
This is awesome.
Yeah.
Thanks for sharing.